Welcome to New York City. We are here in Times Square, where over 300,000 pedestrians cross every single day. Here we are at one of the most iconic centers in all of New York City, 30 Rockefeller Plaza, famous for TV shows and the really cool ice rink that's right there. Here are 3 quick facts about modern New York City. Number 1 out of every 21 New Yorkers is considered a millionaire. Number 2, ancient Rome was 8 times more densely populated than the modern city we stand in today. And number 3, there are about 25,000 restaurants in the city. Just think about that for 1 second. Right there, on April 30th, 1789, George Washington took the oath to be the first president of the United States of America. George Washington, he's also on our $1 bill. Here on the corner of Wall Street and Broad Street is the New York Stock Exchange, famous in its own right. But did you know that under Wall Street, in vaults, 25% of the world's gold bullion is actually stored? I didn't. Established in 1624, the name Manhattan actually comes from the word Mannahatta, which in the Lenape language means the island of many hills. Welcome everybody. Today we are at the New York Public Library and we're about to take a tour. So we just finished up our free tour of the New York Public Library. It's an amazing place, and I ask that if you have the ability, just donate a little bit, because the library is free. It's funded by the city of New York, and it's a great place. Thank you.